Kevina here, back with another pandemic trip idea.
Hey guys, before we get into this video, I have a special announcement. We are celebrating our 50th video here at Passport Snob, and it's time to celebrate. Oh my gosh. So we are doing a special giveaway. Stay tuned to the end of this video to find out what we're giving away and how to enter. So stay tuned.
If you're new to our channel, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for watching and hope you all enjoy. What's another idea, you say? Renting an RV or camper and hitting the open road. We personally planned and took one this summer. Because of the control of being around people while still getting out, seeing, and trying new things. We went into this trip planning to visit some famous sites and try some bomb food, with the caveat that if we felt uncomfortable in any setting, we would abort the activity and or take our food to go and enjoy it in the RV. Renting an RV or camper enables you to avoid hotels and staff because you sleep and live on it. If you're uncomfortable flying and or being in the airport and the enclosed plane, this option avoids it. It's just you, either solo or with a few friends or family members. In a mode of transportation, you can ensure ventilation. You can literally plan this trip to where the time you encounter people is when you pick up and drop off the unit, and potentially just at the gas station. You could opt to do grocery pickup, again, minimizing your exposure. Now, details on the mode of transportation and living. You can rent an RV if you didn't know, which we encountered while on our trip. Some businesses offer round trip and one-way options. This will impact your route. If you own a medium size duty truck, you could rent a camper, which would just attach to the back of it. They each also come in different sizes to accommodate the size of your group. Cost. Some places allow you to make a deposit and pay the balance upon pickup, even giving you a refund on unused mileage and incidental insurance. The route and size of the RV or camper will influence your total cost of your camper or your RV. During our trip, renting an RV round trip, standard size, 1,500 miles. For 3 people, we paid $570 per person. That was before getting back the refund for the unused miles and for the incidental insurance.
Thanks for watching to the end of our video, guys. To find out about this special giveaway, we are giving away a Airfly, which I did a review video on a couple of months ago. So if you haven't watched that already, go ahead and check it out now. We're also giving away a set of packing cubes, which Kevina reviewed also a few months ago. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check that one out as well. And we are giving them away for free, guys. All you have to do is join our social media contest on Facebook and Instagram. You can enter both contests. They are one on Facebook, one on Instagram. So if you have both platforms, you're more than welcome to participate in both contests. We'll be giving away the Airfly on Facebook and the packing cubes on Instagram. So if you have a preference on which one you want to do, then enter on whichever social media platform for the one that you want to participate in. So now that you know what we're giving away, now you just need to know how to enter. So the first step is you need to be a YouTube subscriber. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit that button down below. And if you're going to participate on Facebook, you need to be our Facebook follower as well. So be sure to check out our Passport Snob official page. Go ahead and press that like button on Facebook, and then share one of our videos from YouTube to your Facebook page. The person who has the most shares and the most likes will win the Airfly. Okay, so that's how you enter for Facebook. For Instagram, same thing. You must be a YouTube subscriber, but also follow our Instagram page. And the person with the most likes for one of our reposts of our videos from our page will win the packing cube set. We hope you guys love these prizes and join in celebrating with our 50th video. We can't wait to get to 100 and bring you guys more travel content. So let's do this, guys. Enter these contests and win these giveaways.
Hope this was inspirational in deciding on a trip to take during the pandemic. Check back next Saturday for another trip idea.